Part 1. Introduction to AI. From Birth of AI to Future. Gen AI and tools like ChatGPT didn't just appear out of nowhere. They've been part of a long, evolving journey. While the data and theories underpinning AI have roots that go back decades, if not centuries, the real acceleration has occurred only in the last few years. AI development initially moved at what felt like a snail's pace, but recent advancements have propelled it forward at a remarkable speed. Our journey starts in the 1950s with Alan Turing, a brilliant mathematician who not only helped shorten World War II by breaking the Enigma code, a feat credited with saving millions of lives, but also introduced the concept of machine intelligence. This was the first step towards what we now call artificial intelligence. In 1964, MIT's ELIZA became the first chatbot capable of simulating a basic conversation. It was a significant milestone, offering a glimpse into how machines might one day understand and respond to human language. The 1980s marked a pivotal moment when IBM's chess-playing computer defeated Garry Kasparov, the world chess champion. This wasn't just about winning a game. It showcased AI's ability to use machine learning to make decisions based on probability, a concept we'll explore further as it's foundational to modern AI. In the early 2000s, we saw the emergence of generative adversarial networks, GANs, which can create new data from existing data. This led to the phenomenon of deep fakes, realistic but entirely fabricated images and videos. If you haven't already, I recommend looking up deepfakes online. The results are as fascinating as they are unsettling. Then, in 2011, Apple introduced Siri, making AI-powered voice assistants a part of everyday life. This was a significant leap in bringing AI into our homes and hands. Finally, in November 2022, OpenAI released ChatGPT 3.5, which dramatically altered the AI landscape. Within just 5 days, it reached 1 million users, demonstrating how AI had finally gained mainstream traction after decades of slow, steady progress. And with major companies like Google entering the field, the pace of AI innovation has only continued to accelerate. As we move forward, we'll explore how these developments have shaped the AI tools we use today, particularly in how we interact with them through prompting.